are you ready?
Yes!
I feel like I'm one pole short, but...
What?
Hello, I'm Alice Levine and I am here in the Great British Outdoors. I've teamed up with Dacia to test the skills and good thinking of 3 of the UK's top adventurers. Let's meet them. James, Adele, Aki, welcome to Fill Your Boots. Today's challenge is game changer. I've got lots of essential camping gear in front of me, which when constructed correctly will look a bit like this. But at Dacia, we like to do things just a little bit differently. So you're going to have 20 minutes to pitch your tent. Oh, and you're going to be blindfolded. Okay, team, fill your boots. Adventurers, are you ready?
Yes!
It's time to pitch those tents. James, you're in the car park. That's it, James. That's it. Good work, James and Adele. Aki, it's just great that you're taking part.
Oh, yeah.
I am by your side.
Hello.
Are you well?
I feel like I'm one pole short, but...
Is that a euphemism?
I think it's going okay, or I hope it is. I can't actually tell.
Let's say it's not going awfully and it's not going brilliantly. What are you trying to do? Put up a tent. Okay, yeah, that's... I wouldn't say we're heading in that direction, but what a lovely ground sheet you've created.
If you could just hold that for 5 minutes.
Sure.
Thanks.
Just feels good to be helpful, to be honest. It's nice to get out of the house. What is it you love about camping?
It's £20 for a sea view in a tent, or it's £200 for a hotel, so it's always great just going back to the basics.
I find it liberating. It's amazing to just have everything you need in your backpack. Simple way of life.
Where's the most extreme place you've camped?
The death zone on Everest. On Amada Blam, I developed high altitude cerebral edema because I went too fast.
That's a bonkers thing to do. What's it supposed to be? A flamingo?
Is this pole in the right sleeve?
It's pretty hot there. What is it, 27? I prefer 19.
Come on.
Adventurers, 3 minutes.
One last corner.
What?
1 minute.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Okay, 10,
Something
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So that's a job complete.
Do you, Aki, ever watch Grand Designs? There's always an episode where they run out of money and they get a divorce, and that's what I'm seeing here. I've got to give you points because it's avant-garde. It's a very unusual design.
I couldn't see what I was doing, so I just went with it.
Adele, what happened here?
It feels a bit breezy in the tent.
You've gone open plan.
Have
we're,
I?
We're just going to call it open plan. This actually looks great.
I've built a good tent, I just can't find the entrance.
James,
Yeah?
it's the wrong end.
It's the wrong end.
Yeah. Okay, guys, it's time for the scores. Okay, Aki, 10 points for effort and no points for anything else. Adele, I can't give you any more than 20 points because you basically shredded the tent. And James, a genuinely solid structure. That's robust. That's more robust than my house. 30 points. Congratulations. Congratulations to you all.
Nice one.
Okay, right, let's add those scores to the Dacia Good Thinking scoreboard. I think what we've proven here is that we don't need a 5-star hotel to have a good time. Just a tent, a jogger and a mallet. And look what we've achieved. Well, you've achieved. See you on the next adventure.